Okay, so the question is, the predominant form of histamine present in human blood is. Okay, so blood pH is prox 7.3. So first pKa of N will be equal to 9.9. Okay, then second pK of N will be equal to 5.8 according to the equation. So histamine, it has 3 nitrogen. In normal physiological condition, it exists as monoprotonated, and aliphatic nitrogen is most basic, so it will be protonated. So what we get in result is this: histamine in presence of H plus ion, and we get this as a product. So 3 is the right answer.